Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I've been looking forward to this, Okay, I ordered this, oh my gosh, like 2-3 weeks ago, I think, and it was a pre-order. I didn't realize it was a pre-order, but it took a little while to get here, and now it's here. So I'm so excited to show it to you. It is a Dreamer Designs, as you can tell. Somebody asked me a while back, did they change their box? A while back they did. They added some stuff to the box. It's, yeah. So it's got all kinds of information on it, details, directions, all kinds of stuff. So are you ready to see what it is? Are you ready? I'm ready. I can never get these things open. These little tabs always give me a hard time. And here comes the sun. See it over there? I was thinking I was going to be safe. It was pretty cloudy out and I'd be okay, but now we got that. So if it gets too bad, I'll stop and come back later. Okay? All right. Box is empty. Empty. Their box always falls apart. I don't know why. I get those little tabs all the time. So this is how it comes. Comes in this bag. It says Dreamer Designs on it. I do put mine back in the bag when I'm done and store it back in the box. I do not store it like this, though. I take it off the foam roller and I put the drills in the canvas. I roll it up in the canvas. So, all right, let's see. See, there goes that sun. It's very overcast. I was hoping it was just going to stay, cloudy. That's really the best, filming time for me. I've got sun, but it's not bright. There's the colors. We'll look at those in a minute. All right, so here's their toolkit, this soft plush toolkit. It's tied up nicely for us here, so nothing's gonna escape, right? Nothing's gonna come out either. I can't get it out. All right, here we go. Everything's purple. You'll notice purple's their thing. So 2 pens, one with the plastic tip, one with the brass tip, pointed tweezers, and then we have 2 trays. Say Dreamer Designs, 2 waxes, 2 squishies, there's the other one, and then the baggies. I have baggies in here, okay? Baggies. Something else in here, multi-placers. Yeah, we got multi-placers, there they are. Multi-placers and a straightener are in the bottom of the bag. That's what you get in a Dreamer Designs toolkit. Every toolkit is the same with Dreamer Designs, okay? Nothing different. Okay, there we go. All right, it comes nicely packaged up with a purple ribbon. It's on the foam roller, and we're gonna roll it backwards because it's poured glue, and we're gonna get it off this foam roller, okay? Their canvas is a stiffer canvas, not soft on the back. It's kind of like a nylon feel. Here comes some goodies. Here comes our labels. There goes the foam roller and an information sheet. Yes, all right. Foam roller, goodbye, over there. On here we have all kinds of information, details, social media, instructions, all that stuff. So you know how to get a hold of them, okay? I'll take this opportunity to let you know that I do have a code with Dreamer Designs. It's Mindy15. Can save you 15% off your order. All right. Oh, this is new. Oh, yeah. Snap. Okay, so do you notice anything here that might be different? Look at their labels. They are individually cut and peelable. Yay! I just kitted up one and I had to cut these all apart and put them on my containers. Not a big deal. But look what they've done. Yay. Peelable individual sticker labels to put on your containers when you kit up. Yeah, I love it. There are 55 colors here. It looks like there's just 2 ABs. 1, 2, maybe a white and a yellow, maybe. Love that. Perfect. Then it just keeps going. You've got extras down here if you need them for something. Love that. Yay. That's exciting. Makes me almost want to kit this one up, but I won't because I just kitted up one. that I'm going to work on, okay? So here's the legend on the side of the canvas. All right, there's their symbols. Anything interesting, weird, strange, difficult? I don't think so. All right, scalloped edges, so this hopefully won't ever fray. And here's the painting. Are you ready to see it? I'm ready to see it. Look, first thing we see right off the bat, big old red cardinal. Yay! Okay, there were several of these that came out. Boom, 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 boom. Look at the church. The fence post. There's a bird. Look at, okay, look at that. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's zoom you out. So I got a couple. I mean, they came out with just some fantastic images. And this is one I fell in love with. It is called Guiding Light. Here's all your information up here at the top. It's an 80 by 60. That's kind of a standard size for them. 80 by 60 is pretty normal. And it is Alan Gianna. Now, if you look up, oh, he's got some beautiful stuff. Gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. You notice how Dreamer Designs does this printed part around the edge? They have, like, it just matches the picture. And it just do this little edge here. All right, I love it. Just love that. I couldn't help myself, okay? Oh, so pretty. There's a bird on the tree right here. Can you tell that that's a bird? That's a bird on the tree, just hanging out on the tree. You got the lighthouse in the background in the water. So the church is right by the water, all snowy and Christmassy. The lights are on, welcoming. Another cardinal up in the tree here. It's just gorgeous. I fell in love with that one. Just fell in love with it. Wow. Okay, all these bushes down here that are red. I don't, maybe they're berries in there or something, because lots of bushes have like red berries on them. Or it could just be the leaves. These definitely look like berries here, but isn't that pretty? So pretty. And look at that star out there. Wow. It's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah. If I wouldn't have kitted up the other one already, I probably would have kit this one up to be my project to work on first. But, I have enough kitted up already. This one's going to have to wait just a minute. All right. So pretty. Let's look at the drills. All right. It is a square drill. Yep, square drills. It says Guiding Light. That's the name, Guiding Light. It says it on the packages. Okay. So you won't get mixed up. I keep my drills right with my paintings, so I never get mixed up. But I know some people store theirs separately. Okay, are you ready? Let's look at these. All right, we're just gonna grab a strip and go. So, a lot of grays. Gray, gray. Okay, we gotta zoom in. Look at the drills now. We're up close now, camera, up close. Peach, more grays, lots and lots of grays. Probably all the trees and everything are going to be gray. All right, what do we have here? Got to get everything straightened around the right way. Dreamer Designs are in order. They're in DMC order, and they're in order like 15, 16, and DMC codes go in order. They're very easy to kit up when you kit them up. 3 bags of 415, which kind of has a blue hue to it. Can you tell in the sunshine it has a blue hue? There's the sun shining on us. Don't let that sun fool you. It is not warm outside. No, it is not warm. I just came in from letting the chickens and the ducks out, and it's chilly. Okay, here's our ABs. Not a lot of AB in this one. That's a little disappointing. Just a little tiny bit of yellow and a little tiny bit of white. This could have used more AB, I think, but it is what it is. AB is Aurora Borealis. They put an iridescent coating on the drills. They pick up all the colors. They sparkle. They shine. They do all kinds of cool stuff. Yeah, I would have liked to have seen some more. I know, we can always fix that. We can add our own. Mustard color, dark gray, that's a green, a peach, and a blue. And then brown, blue, a bunch of this, like off-white color. 762. Huh, it is like a, there, sunshine on it. There you go. It's off-white. Probably going to be all the snow. Number 23. 23. It's the check mark. Yeah, check, 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 check. Check, check. Lots of checks. Okay. Okay. Well, at least it's not yellow for the snow, right? You know what that means. Maybe you don't if you don't have snow. Oh. Okay. Come on. Where's the thing? Oh. It's not cooperating. Okay, this one is heavily blue because, I mean, look at all that blue. So this package, well, there's a green, but this one's heavily, heavily blue. All right. We don't care that they're backwards, do we? Hey, there's the sun. Looks kind of pretty. Two of this color. It really shows you how sparkly they are, though, in the sun, right? This black. That's black. 2 bags of black. And then I think this is all the same. Yep, that's all the same color. Number 312. Is this some more 312? No, that's a different blue. There's our 3371. Now you can see how brown it is. It is brown, brown. All right, what else? Yellow. That's a pretty color right there. I like that one. Some greens. Very deep, like pine green. Both of those. And then we have some blue-gray, blue. Some more blues. 817 is kind of a, well, it's really pretty red actually. 816 and 814. Look at those, are all like red, 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 red. And then we have this. Yeah, we just have this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 bags of 803, which I'm certain that's back there. That's going to be pretty though, isn't it? Ah, it's going to be pretty. Okay. All right. You guys go over there, and you go over there, and you go over there. And then we can look for the ABs. I hope we can find them. There aren't very many. So let's see. It is O and Y. So, do we have any in here? No. Okay, we have some O's right here. O's and Y's are both here in the beacon for the lighthouse. There's some O down here, which is the white. So like right in here, we get a little bit of white, AB. Nothing in the trees that I can see. How about on the church? No. Okay, there's a little bit spattered in the snow down here of the white, just a little bit. A little bit on top of the fence post, like on top of the bushes, like where the snow would have fallen, on top of the bush, on top of the post, we get a little bit of the white AB. And on top of the edge of the tree here, just a little bit on top of the, you know, just where the snow landed. And there's a little bit here. That's really it. All right. Well, I mean, it's a gorgeous painting. It's just beautiful. Did you get it? Did you get any of these new Christmas ones with the beautiful scenes? There's this one, there's a gingerbread house one, a lighthouse, another lighthouse one. There's one with a bunch of birds. They were all so pretty. And I believe they're all the same artist, this Alan Gianna. They're pretty cool. I like them. Let me know what you got. Let me know what you think. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm going to put this all away now. and I need to start putting some drills on the one I have kitted up. That's my plan. In November, I'm just kind of doing a whole bunch of stuff, you know, so we'll get some drills on that other one. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that like button. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here. Come back and see more stuff. Check all the links below, my Facebook group, my membership, Buy Me a Diet Pepsi, all that stuff's linked below. Dreamer Designs is linked below. That code is there, Mindy15, all that good stuff. So, yeah, check that description box from time to time. You never know what's going to be in there. All right. Okay. Thanks, everybody. I hope you have a great day, and hope to see you soon. Bye, guys.